Hello everyone, I'm Ada, and welcome to our factory Durmapress. Today, I'm going to introduce you to one of our best-selling machines, Panel Bender. Now, let's follow my camera and take a closer look at the details of this machine. Our panel bender is designed for efficient and precise bending with high automation and flexibility. It can handle various materials and complex processes. Equipped with an advanced system, it's easy to operate and offers high bending accuracy. It's particularly suitable for modern workshops that require quick production changes. In this video, we see our engineers calibrating the machine to ensure smooth operation and optimal performance. Next, let's take a look at the overall design of the machine. It has a modern and sturdy build, ideal for use in various industrial environments. That's all for today's machine details. If you're interested in this equipment, feel free to contact